In this video, I'll show you how you can create a custom watch face on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now for this, we'll have to use the O Health application. So all you have to do is launch the app on your mobile device. And then from here, tap on the device at the bottom right corner. And then select watch faces from the list that appears. Now at this point, scroll down until you find the photos watch face, which is this one. Now for some reason, mine has a different language, but generally this is the option that you need to select. So tap on it, and then you have to allow some permissions to access your photos and videos. So select allow. So simply allow those permissions, and then you have to set that particular watch face first, or as an active watch face on your OnePlus Watch 4. So select set as a watch face, and then once it's set, simply tap on that watch face again, and then select customize. Now from here, you should get to this section whereby you can customize this watch face. So on the background, simply tap on the plus icon. And then from here, you can find the photo that you'd like to use. So let's say, for instance, let me just find a random photo that I will use. So for instance, this particular photo, you can tap on it and then tap on done. And that photo will be added. So give it a few seconds. And now you can see how it looks like on your watch face. And then from here, you can tap on font and customize the font for that particular watch face. So you can choose font 1, font 2, and as you select the font, you shall see a preview of how it looks like on the watch face, okay? And then also you can tap on style and choose the style that you'd like to use. So if you want the clock to be below, above, or also you can have the hand style 1, 2, or 3, whichever you'd like. And also you can choose the color, the content color. So choose the color that you'd like. And also you can add some compilations, okay? So if you want to add a couple of compilations, you can tap on the compilation one and you should see a preview of where it is. Let's say you can choose the steps if you want. You can select compilation 2 as well. You can see a preview of where it is. So let's just add another one. You can also choose compilation 3, compilation 4. So there are 4 of them. So choose the one that you prefer. And once you're done, simply tap on done at the top right corner and the changes will be applied. And now you can see your custom watch face. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll see you on the next one.